everyone, I am Najian Awantawali. I would like to explain the objective of this research. First is we would like to identify the student performance in each question of the final assessment in pre-calculus. Second is to compare the final assessment performance among UiTMTAPAH students based on their gender. For your information, this research was conducted before the ODL session. So this is the marks allocated for the final examination before the ODL. According to this graph, we can see that the student have the difficulty to answer question number 2. For your information, question number 2 is the topic to sketch the graph of the circles and parabolas. Meanwhile, to trace the performance of the student based on their gender, we are doing the descriptive analysis and a bipilot of principal component analysis, which is known as the PCA. So from the analysis, it observed that the female students have the better performance in answering the exam compared to the male student. One of the advantages in this project is we are able to investigate the potential and competence of the student, and at the same time, this also will reveal which topics were mostly unscored among the genders. Additionally, this also will aid and assist the lecturers the way their delivery of teaching. The usefulness first is for the lecturers. The lecturer will create the pedagogical practice for their lectures, and at the same time, they are also addressed and utilizing visual tools such as Wolfram Alpha and Desmos. For the student, they are more comprehend weak topics more effectively. Meanwhile, for the resource person from this project, they can be more aware of whether the syllabus correspond to the curriculum. The novelty of this study, it is the first study about the MAT-133 final assessment in the UiTMTAPAH to determine the students' overall performance. And at the same time, it is an initiative to assist lecturers and resource persons to enhance their pedagogical practice with the digital applications. Commercialization potential. First, this research can be potentially aid lecturers to monitor the performance of both genders, as we can see that from the result, female is more perform or outperform compared to the males. Second, as we can see that question number 2 have the difficulty for the student to answer, so this will help facilitate the innovative teaching among the lecturers. Lastly, this is the implementation. As I mentioned earlier, the project is done before the ODL. So during this ODL, the lecturers demonstrate the student how to use the Desmos and Wolfram Alpha. So if you can see here that the student get more understand the topic after we demonstrate them the softwares. So if you can see here that students are able to solve and sketch the graph. So that's all from us. Thank you.